In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Royal Caribbean app on Android. This app will enhance your cruising experience by providing essential information and services. Let's get started with the first step. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. It's represented by a colorful triangle icon. Tapping on it will launch the store, where you can find millions of apps. This step is crucial because the Play Store is the safest and most reliable place to download applications for your Android device. You will see a clean interface filled with various app categories and recommendations tailored to your interests. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. It's a prominent feature, usually marked with the word search or represented by a magnifying glass icon. Once you tap it, a keyboard will appear, allowing you to enter your search query. This action is important because it directs the Play Store to find exactly what you need. By searching directly, you can avoid scrolling through countless apps that may not be relevant. Now, type in Royal Caribbean and tap the search or magnifying glass icon. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar, helping you find the app even faster. Once you hit the search icon, a list of results will populate the screen. This step narrows down the options, focusing solely on the Royal Caribbean app. This is beneficial as it saves you time and ensures you are looking at the correct application right from the start. From there, locate the official app named Royal Caribbean International, published by Royal Caribbean Cruises Limited. You will recognize it by its distinct logo, which features the company's branding. This is a critical step because it ensures that you are downloading the legitimate app and not a third-party version. Checking for the publisher is essential for security purposes, as you want to protect your personal information and ensure a seamless experience with the app. After that, tap the green Install button. This button is typically located right next to the app name and is easy to spot. Once you tap it, the app will begin downloading and installing automatically. This step is vital because it initiates the process of getting the app onto your device. You may see a progress bar indicating how much of the download is complete. This gives you a visual cue that the app is being installed, and soon you will be ready to use it. Once that is done, you will receive a notification that the installation is complete. Now you can find the app on your home screen or in the app drawer. It's reassuring to know that you can easily access the app whenever you need it. With the Royal Caribbean app, you'll be able to manage your cruise plans, check itineraries, and enjoy onboard services right from your Android device. Now you have successfully downloaded the Royal Caribbean app on your Android device. You are now equipped to enhance your cruising experience with just a few taps. This app is designed to streamline your journey and make everything more convenient. Enjoy your cruise, and thank you for following along.